Alright, here's what we're doing, people. The Eclipse up in here. We got to build a box for the X12. Take them two 15s out because I ain't doing shit. Got a sheet of birch cut in half. Some MDF to go underneath of it because this piece of shit spare tire cover fucking sag shit. Ah! Scared me like that. Looks the ashes get off my amplifier. Yep. Build a new bottom. Go underneath this fucking thing. Yep. Gotta build. There it is, the X312, dual 2. Now, the dilemma we got, the math on it's like 20 by 20 by 20 by 20. Well, all four corners, and then it's like 16 and a half up. But the problem is, I got this plastic piece back here. And the surround is so damn tall, it's going to be right on it. So the stone man over there is doing some serious math, and we're going to try to make it the box longer and shorter so we can drop the sub. So we got the battery box over here to account for too. Hopefully Stone Man's here to do the math. And you know, I was going to build this box myself, but I'm just not that smart, and Stoney's pretty smart. And the fucking asshole can actually build a good box, so I don't want to fuck up some good birch. So we'll build it together. Yes. What's awesome is it's got 4 gauge push terminals. 2 pieces of 8 gauge easily fits. I can fucking. Fuck yeah. Makes things a lot more simple. Oh God, what's fucked up? Weird shit. Talking your smack, Stone.
Talking my smack all goddamn day. That's all I fucking do.
Stoney's talking smack, but he's doing a damn good job on this box. He was crying a little bit about the double baffle, but he put his panties on. Actually, they're still hanging over there.
Yeah.
On that trophy.
Right next to your pink panties.
That's right. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm going to slap a little cock on it, and it'll look even better. Yeah.